going to show you how to smack the bushing out here. Just give it a tap. Hold on to the motor and don't tap it with it just hanging on the wires. You want to tap it and put some pressure against it. You get it to that point where there's a little bit of room to stick a flathead screwdriver over there and pop it out. Simply put your screwdriver in there and kind of turn it. And here's our new one. They give you a lot of extra parts in here for the worm gear here, but that generally is always still good. So all this you pretty much don't need. You can take it to the recycle yard. Just kind of press it in there by hand and take your hammer, give it a couple of taps here. I'm right-handed, so I need to switch around here. There we go. Pressed in there good. That's it.